Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. I've been thinking a lot about when I started woodworking, and I had the opportunity to apprentice with a Japanese woodworker. He's a shoji maker, and I think what he taught me, I still hear his voice in my head. These things come back to me. And one of the things is that when you're a woodworker, you have a duty and a role in your society, in your community, make beautiful things. But the idea too is that you make lots of them. You're not doing one perfect thing for a well client. You're making as many beautiful things as you can for a good number of people. So, you're not using a ton of traditional hand tools because for time and efficiency purposes. But one of the tools that we do use here in the shop daily is chamfering plane. And I really think that the edge treatment makes a huge difference in the final appearance of a piece. And I believe a subtle chamfer is a million times better than like a bullnose or a round edge, especially when you're using live edge pieces. And part of that idea is this other Japanese aesthetic of the contrast of you have the organic live edge, but then you also have the structure and the crispness of the joinery and of the edge treatments. We're just finishing up a nightstand, and we also have the drawer fronts. So these are all monkey pod. You have to pay attention to how the wood is the direction of the grain, because you always want to be planing in that direction. And the wood will tell you pretty quickly you got it wrong. So there, it's starting to chatter. I know I've got it wrong. If I just flip it like this, that'll be far superior. And one tip with these is you really want to get your alignment right. So your shoulder, your wrist, elbow, the plane, all in one line. And occasionally swap it out or give it a good sharpen. That should do it. There's these adjustments where you can fine tune how much material you're removing. Also, the woods that we use here in Hawaii are very different from the woods that they would have been using these tools with in Japan. So there, it'll be cypress and cedar, relatively soft woods. And what we have here are these tropical hardwoods like monkey pod and koa. All right, I'm just gonna do a couple more of these, and then I think that's all I got on this one. I'm curious who out there who has a woodworking business is using the traditional tools. If you are, I'd love to hear how you're finding a way to put them to use. And if you'd like to learn more about woodworking in Hawaii, the woods of the Pacific, please subscribe to our channel.